Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 24th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be looking at the lower 48 across the nation here. Also, we're taking a look at the tropics, since we got about 6 more days to go in the tropics after today. As you can see here, we got a little system here in the Caribbean Sea, looking a little kind of organized, trying to get this act organized, but I don't think nothing's going to form out of it. Another system over in the MDR region, like it's trying to get its act together, but I don't see nothing at this time developing. This is kind of pretty much just a lower cold front stretching from the North Atlantic down into the Caribbean Sea. We got high pressure over the eastern United States. That's why it's cloud free, maybe a little bit of clouds. We got another precipitation over here in the northern portion of the United States, stretching back into the Pacific Ocean. Got another little system here. That system that's been spinning off the northwestern coast still continues to spin and funnel in a lot of precipitation across the west and central United States. Expect a lot of snowfall out here coming out in the west. We'll take a look at that toward the end of the video. Also, we're going to take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map, the Storm Prediction Center outlook just for day 2, and we're going to take a look at your forecast for Monday and Tuesday. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, let's move on to your forecast now. We're going to take a look at your Monday outlook. As you can see, we got some mixed precipitation, freezing rain up here around New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, with more mixed precipitation across southeast Canada, stretching to Michigan, Wisconsin. Got some snow flying over a portion of Minnesota and South Canada. South of there, we got some shower activity from around New York State all the way down to Alabama, Mississippi, and portion of Louisiana. We got more mixed precipitation over here across southwestern Canada, stretching into Washington, Oregon State, to Montana, Idaho, down toward Colorado, also northern Arizona, also Nevada, California. Got some heavy snow possible in portion of California regions as well. Otherwise, we got some shower activity across portions of the Pacific Ocean, along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, California, and a little bit inland in portion of Washington, Oregon State. Otherwise, expect dry weather for your Monday across the forecast area. Alright, let's take a look at your Tuesday forecast now. As you can see, we got some more mixed precipitation, some freezing rain over here in portion of Maine, portion of Vermont, New Hampshire, with mixed precipitation in the purple, stretching from Maine back over toward Michigan to Ohio to Pennsylvania. Also a little bit in portion of Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, also down toward western North Carolina and also eastern Tennessee. Showers over here in portion of West Virginia to Delaware, DC, Maryland, up toward Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and portion of Virginia. Coastal waters stretching into portion of Florida and also southeast Georgia. We got some snow flying up here along the Great Lakes region from northern Michigan, northern Wisconsin, south portion of Canada. More snow flying over here in portion of Montana to Idaho to Wyoming. Also a little bit in Washington State, with mixed precipitation in the the purple, from Washington State down to California, all the way over to Colorado and New Mexico region, with some heavy pockets of heavy snow in portions of Colorado, Utah, Nevada, and also the California mountain range as well. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of the remainder of the forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's take a look at the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, as you can see, we don't have too much of that. We just got some winter weather advisory for portions of Michigan, also northern Wisconsin, northeastern Minnesota. Also, we got some winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories for Colorado, winter storm watches for Utah, winter storm warning, winter weather advisory for California, wind advisories there as well, stretching into Oregon State, also wind advisories over into areas of Mexico. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warnings in effect from up here in Maine, all the way down to near the New Jersey, Delaware, and Pennsylvania and Maryland area. Then again from Southern California up to Washington State. Hawaii and Chain Island got some high surf advisories there. The area Around Alaska, got some freeze and spray warnings, small craft advisories and gale warning. Inland, we have some winter weather advisories and winter storm warning, and also some small special weather statements inland as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. As you can see, we have no severe weather expected for day 2, which is Monday, but we do have a general thunderstorm outlook for Nashville to Jackson to Memphis to Birmingham to Greenville, Mississippi to Jackson, Mississippi, also Alexandria area of Louisiana, also a little bit over here across northwestern California and a portion of Oregon State. Snowfall totals. This is what we expect over the next 16 days. As you can see, the heavy precipitation of snow over Canada, stretching over to portions of Maine. Also, we've got some heavy precipitation across Virginia, down into West Virginia, also back in the portion of Tennessee, also into portion of Arkansas, and then again Wisconsin, Michigan, over toward Minnesota, and then more out west here in portions of Arizona, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, also into portion of Wyoming, also into areas of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California region, southwestern Canada. Elsewhere, just maybe a dusting to 2 to 3 inches possible in some of the areas in the central portion of the United States. Nothing reported right now. I looked at the European model earlier this evening. Showed a snowstorm look like it moves across the eastern Carolinas, bringing about 2 to maybe about 2 to 5 inches of snow, maybe from around Columbia to the coast, all the way up to Wilmington, North Carolina. But the GFS is not showing that at this time, but we'll continue to monitor, because we is going to have some cold air, but will we have the moisture around? Something I will keep an eye on as we get closer to the event. Alright, well, hope everybody has a wonderful Sunday evening. Take care. Also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care.